What's going on, guys? Angelo here, and today we're going to be going to Kings of Minions Passholder preview, and I'm really excited. This is going to be my first part for the 2019 season. I will definitely be checking out Volcano, of course, and let's go ahead and ride some coasters. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so we are here, 2019, Kings of Minion, first visit. This is season pass holder day. As you can see, there's a lot of pass holders here, so these are all just pass holder people. This is just the line to get in, so we're going to try to find a short one here. Alright, so now that I'm in the park, it took a little bit because there was a lot of people, but as you can see, they literally haven't even put in the water yet, so I'm guessing by next week they're gonna have this filled up for sure. I'll definitely come back and see. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have this. So yeah. You haven't saw like the update before the Copperhead like video. If you don't know, the Eiffel Tower is gonna be closed for a little bit. They're gonna be repainting this whole thing. And these are actually new pavers. All of this is new. It looks good. I'm glad they changed it. It does feel pretty smooth now. I do remember last year that asphalt gets pretty hard on the feet, so yeah. But it feels great outside. It's like 65 degrees. It's literally perfect weather for coasting. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head down to Volcano, and I'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, so we're about to approach Volcano's entrance area now. I do know now that they've already taken down the sign. They've taken down the one, as you can see here. And on top of that, they've done a lot of other things. So it's also off the park map already. But we're gonna go ahead and walk up to it right now. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. I'm pretty sure they have it blocked off or something. We're gonna go ahead and check it out really fast. The train is gone. I don't know if you guys can see, the train is gone. So I'll try to zoom in, but they are moving actually a lot. They've already taken the water out of the little area where the river, the haunted river area was. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna get deconstructed. I mean, look at how the rock looks pretty bad. But yeah, here it is. This is I'm gonna try to do maybe like one last update or something before like they deconstruct this thing. But for the most part, that's basically it with Volcano. I think that's the last update that I need. I know that Dominator has also gotten a new chain lift as well. On top of that, I know Intimidator also has gotten their trains repainted, so I'll go ahead and head over there now. Alrighty, let's do this first ride of 2019. The one and only Intimidator 305. Well, not the only one. Woo, boy. Here we go. Woo, oh yeah! Woo! Alright guys, quick update. They finally have added it with the software update. As you all can see, you can now rent a multi-ride locker that can move to other rides. On top of that, you can just keep it for this ride, open an expired locker. But just to let you know, they have finally added the new feature. So they now have it. Let's see how much it is actually. So it costs $5, just like Busch Gardens Williamsburg. So this is a huge plus. I'm really glad to see this. I will definitely be getting this option. I literally was just about to get the locker, so I'm very excited about that. That means I can now move my locker over to Twisted Timbers location, as well as Flight of Fear. And if I'm correct, I think Dominator might be getting them soon. So I will give you guys an update on that very soon. But just to let you know, they now have it so you can move the locker. Here we go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Okay, sorry I haven't been talking so much in this vlog. There have been a ridiculous amount of long lines. This is probably the most season pass holders I've seen here so far since like the past times I've been coming. It's pretty packed. The operations are pretty bad. Backlot has the best operations right now. I'm not riding Anaconda.
Yeah, we got one cart going too.
There's a lot of one train operations because this is mainly like a pre-day, so yeah. Flight of Fear and Backlot, or I'm sorry, Flight of Fear, Dominator, and Intimidator all went down at essentially the same exact time, which I found that was pretty weird. But Dominator was down when I walked up to the thing. They literally just closed the gate. Then Intimidator, people are waiting there right now, and I don't know if Flight of Fear is working yet. I don't think it is. We got supervisors at the entrance, so yeah. But this is pretty crazy. And then Volcano's also not open, of course, so there's basically like nothing open over here. Alright, so right now Flight of Fear is down. They're literally testing it, and I'm about to go get something to eat, and but they're about to start the ride back up. I'll probably come back over here and like switch my locker out in a minute, but yeah, right now basically everything is down. I don't know why. Twisted Timbers has like an hour 45-minute wait with no fast lane, and I didn't get all season fast lane this year, so I'm gonna go get something to eat really quick, and I guess I can do a review on the food, and I'll just find a place really fast, so yeah. So I got the like dining plan thing. It worked out really cool. I'm actually pretty glad that I got this because I didn't really feel like paying for the They only give you 2 chicken tenders though. I was like, what the world? I was trying to get the like Outer Hanks special because it gives you shrimp, hush puppies, and waffle fries. So, but I don't think you can get it today. But I'm pretty sure like literally the end of this week they'll probably have it up on the like the thing for it. So I also got like a Powerade too. But I'm about to munch down, eat this. I'll give you guys like a review in just a moment. All right. So the waffle fries are good. They're really good. Let's see how the chicken tenders are. Hush puppies are good too. Everything's basically warm. It's not like fully hot or anything, but it's good though. So we're gonna see how this chicken tastes. It looks good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it looks really good. It's dry. It's dry. I need like barbecue sauce or something with it. But yeah, it's pretty dry. Yeah, there was someone like sitting over there, but yeah, I wouldn't. The chicken is really dry. I think it's mainly because they're not like packed in here. There's like nobody here. But if I was to go like to another actual chicken shack or something, I'm pretty sure it'd be good. But the waffle fries are really good. They don't give you like any food here. I don't know why they don't give you a lot of food. So yeah. All right, you guys. All right, I'm gonna get this last ride really quick going on Flight of Fear. It's literally 5:59 right now, so yeah.
Ready? All right, clear.
All right, got the last ride. It was hauling. That thing was rolling. Get my stuff out this locker. All right, so that's gonna conclude my day at the park. Flight of Fear that was the best ride I've ever gotten on Flight of Fear. It was hauling. I don't know if it was just I haven't launched in a long time, but that thing was rolling. There's Volcano over there. Rest in pieces, Volcano. I don't know what's gonna happen. I was talking to Head Up. He was just like, they don't really know what they're gonna do with the structure yet. So there's an update on that. But yep, the park is closed now. Got the last ride on Flight of Fear, and first ride was Intimidator. I have like 2 POVs coming for y'all soon because Dominator had got a new chain lift, and what else? Let's see here. Oh, and Intimidators Train, I did another front row POV, but that'll be all the POVs I'll be doing for Kingsman until like we get another coaster, which won't be until a long time. So, but yeah, I know the workers are ready to go. I'm getting out of this place. It was a nice day at Kingsman. It felt perfect outside. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Until next time, you guys, peace out.